fight.
Huh?
In the last episode, I said fight.
Okay.
Because Sonic had said something like he was going to put up a fight or...
It was, I'm not going out without a fight.
Ah, yeah, that. Hey, Sonic.
Hey, Mario. So what are you guys doing here?
These two Goombas.
Whoa!
These two Goombas have been busting up video game bad guys all over the universe, and we don't take too kindly to that.
Fuck yeah.
Did you know this was gonna happen? Shitballs. Time to call in the reinforcements.
Wait. Have you always had a huge machine gun?
I could use a hand here.
Catch.
Holy shit, this is some serious mess. I'm a golden gun! I've never felt so alive. And I've never felt worse.
Eggman, finish the job! Kill Sonic! Do it! Kill your enemy so we can rule this world!
Don't do it, Eggman! Think of all the fun we've had! Like the time you ate all those burgers that I jizzed in? Bad example, but we've been buddies for years now. Don't throw it all away for something as petty as world domination and bonding with your daughter.
Do it, Eggman! Hurry up! I have to go to the bathroom.
I can't do it.
Pathetic. I'll do it myself. Game over, Sonic! I see you're back for some more. I've already kicked your ass once, so I guess...
Holy shit, Sonequa! What the hell did you... How did you... I thought you were... What happened?
Avocado.
Uh-huh, yeah? Wow, I don't know anything you're saying. Yeah, none of this makes any sense. I don't know how to get you to stop. Wow. Are you gonna stop? Is this just my life now? Okay, I'm gonna assume you're done now. Thanks, sweetie. Thanks for making everything normal again. I look forward to pissing all of you off again real soon.
Our pleasure. Sleep with one eye open, motherfucker. Bye-bye.
Well, looks like we're back at the fucking beginning again. Now what?
Now you all bow down to me! I've been putting up with your bullshit all season. It's Earthworm Jim's time to be evil!
Is this what we're doing now? We're each gonna just take turns being evil?
I mean, well...
Yeah, we're not doing that. We're going to college!
What? Why?
College!
All right, whatever.